Welcome to the Weather Guru podcast for July 8, 2024 evening. We're talking about the remnants or the tropical depression Beryl as it now continues to move northeastward, race northeastward toward the Arkansas region and the Tennessee Valley region. Beryl continues to produce flooding rains and the risk of tornadoes across panhandle portions of eastern Texas, western Louisiana, and Arkansas. Winds are only at 35 miles an hour, pressure's up to 997 millibars, and will continue to rise until it's just a remnant low sometime tomorrow or becomes post-tropical cyclone Beryl. As you can see from the image here, most of the showers are up into the Arkansas region. They have exited Texarkana and into Arkansas, central Arkansas, some of the heavy convective bands there around Little Rock and Hot Springs and down towards Conway, Arkansas. And also in northern Louisiana, still getting rain there up along I-49 from Oil City, Shreveport, Bossier City, down to the central Louisiana, Alexandria and Baton Rouge, still getting some showers there occasionally. Tropical Storm Beryl came in, and Houston fared pretty well. I mean, there's some flooding in the typical areas and bayous, and there's also power that went down for about almost 2 million customers at the peak of the storm. CenterPoint Houston, which is the power company down there, said that it's going to take some time to restore power to everyone. But as you know, a lot of this had to do with trees falling down in people's neighborhood and on power lines, and that knocked out power for more than 2 million Houston customers on Monday morning. Nearly 85% of CenterPoint Energy's Bayou City service area. So CenterPoint provided no estimates of when power may be restored. Many people went 4 hours without posting on social media any kind of updates. So they have it down to about, they restored power to about over 759,000 customers within the prior 24 hours. So that's pretty good, and they continue to get the number down. So 10 thoughts and prayers continue with Houston with this heat, because heat is still a factor now after the storm has passed. Looking Atlantic wide, we have a break and lull in the action. So we have a vigorous tropical wave that's about to come off Africa in the next 2 days, and we'll see what it does. But right now, these other ones look very weak here. And the Saharan dust layer is there and present as well, just above the north latitude there. Central Caribbean looks absolutely quiet now. A few showers in western Jamaica and western Haiti, and a few showers coming across the Antilles there from the British Virgin Islands and the St. Croix U.S. Virgin Islands. And we also have some big shower flare up here in Florida from a deep trough, upper level energy, providing those showers right along the spine of I-75 from Lake City, Gainesville, University of Florida, down through Tampa and Sarasota, Bradenton area. Now, there's the remnants of Beryl there, the tropical depression Beryl, that's going to be moving, spreading rain all the way through, like I said, the Tennessee Valley, upper Midwest later on Tuesday into Wednesday. And then it'll just be a remnant low. And so we have nothing going on in the Eastern Pacific as well. And so that's great news as well. So everything here is going on pretty well. Just want to provide you with a brief update with Tropical Storm Beryl. Thank you for joining me on the Weather Guru podcast. This is Anthony. See you next time.